back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. In today's video we are going to review an amazing dip which is from Doritos. This is a sour cream and chives dip from Doritos. This is what we are going to review and do a taste test of. So guys, this is a product from Doritos which is a nacho dip, and it's the cool sour cream and chives dip here from the brand Doritos, who is popular for their nachos. And they are now in India. You get so many flavors of nachos on Doritos, and what they have here is a nacho dip which is the sour cream, cool sour cream and chives. So today we are going to review this product. So let's start off with a review of the product. First of all, the sour cream with chives this dip comes in a glass container, glass bottle. So it comes in a nice glass bottle here, and it has a lid here, and right on the lid is a Doritos branding. You can see the Doritos branding right on the lid here. Plus on the front label we have the Doritos branding and name of the product here in small. Cool sour cream and chives is written right here, and an illustration of a nacho being dipped in the sour cream dip. This is a 300 gram net weight product container. So it has 300 grams of sour cream in it. Moving on, here they are mentioned the nutritional facts of the product. The nutritional facts are mentioned right here. Here they are given that each 40 gram serving contains 403 kcals of energy, 9.2 grams of fat, and saturated fats of 5 grams, and 1.3 grams of sugar. Salt is 0.39 grams. So energy per 100 grams is 107 kcals of energy, which is quite high, very rich, very high in calories. So this is not for calorie conscious people. This is a very rich dip here from Doritos. So this is the Doritos sour cream with chives. Coming to the cost of the product, the Doritos sour cream and chives 300 gram box is priced at rupees 550. That is the MRP of the product, but the same piece is available on Amazon for 377. So if you all want to go ahead and purchase the Doritos sour cream and chives dip, you all can purchase it from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description below, so you can go ahead and purchase it from there. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So it's a very simple thing. It has a lid which you just need to turn, and it's open. It has a nice creamy aroma to it, and now we are going to do a taste test of it. So here is a taste test. So you can look at the consistency. It's nice and thick, it doesn't fall off, it's not watery, it's nice and thick sour cream here. And now we are going to do a taste test of it. So here is a taste test of the Doritos sour cream with chives. Very creamy, amazing taste, very aromatic. This is a perfect, like you say, a layer on a sandwich when you want to layer your sandwich with something. A good spread of the Doritos sour cream and chives will give an next level taste. Like, it is better than mayo. So people who like mayo, you should definitely try the Doritos sour cream and chives. It is much better as a spread on sandwiches. So I went ahead and I bought this product because I wanted to try out the Supreme Crunch from Taco Bell. So I tried making the Supreme Crunch, chicken Supreme Crunch at home from Taco Bell, and in which it said that they require sour cream. So that's the reason I went ahead and I bought the Doritos sour cream, and the end product was so amazing because of the sour cream in it. It just gave it a next level taste. So yeah, so you can use the Doritos sour cream, a very versatile product. You can use it in your burritos, you can use it as a sandwich spread, you can use it as a nacho dip, you can use it in multiple recipes and stuff. So very versatile product here, sour cream from Doritos. So yeah, so I would definitely give it a 5 on 5 for the taste. The only thing, it's a bit expensive. So rupees 377 on Amazon for a 300-gram container. So this will last you say a week if you're gonna daily use it, but like yeah, it's a bit on the expensive side. So because there are not many options available in the market when it comes to sour cream, so all options available are in the same price range. So yeah, I went for the Doritos because it's a popular brand and it's well known for nachos, so definitely that dip is going to be better than the others. So yeah, overall taste wise it is amazing, like completely. I would definitely recommend the Doritos, but price wise it is a bit high. So yeah guys, this was my review about the Doritos cool sour cream with chives. If you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.